when you're trying to plan a crane lift, one thing I love to use is Google Earth, because when you open the app like this, you press and hold on location and click measure. Now you can drag that and get your approximate distance in meters. So like this RTU on the edge of the roof could be about 14 meters. You can convert that to feet. And you can also go into 3D mode and estimate what's going to be the height of the roof if you don't know. So you go down here, click back, press and hold again. Press and hold at the top of the roof and then click measure. Go back into 3D. And then from there to the top of the roof, it's going to be about 16 meters. So this tool has helped me a lot when I'm trying to plan any kind of job that is going to be using a crane.